Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding hbar. Looking at the price of hbar right now, currently trading at 0.062 cents, mark, down 5% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $1.87 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $59.2 million. Now comes the question, the price, the analysis. So let's get right into it. Before I do begin, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at the price of hbar right now, currently trading at that 0.0617 cents mark. And right now, we are supported by the support level that has built up for the price of hbar over the past few months when we were consolidating. And one thing that I do want to keep in mind is that across the board right now, a lot of altcoins are not seeing those explosive moves, as I've mentioned in my other videos. Reason being, Bitcoin has been on an absolute crazy rally, and the Bitcoin dominance index is also skyrocketing, which is causing a lot of altcoins right now to lag behind. So we haven't really seen that altcoin season start as of now. But we're seeing, hbar holding around these support levels, which is definitely something nice to be seeing right now. But with that being said, now comes the question, is there a chance for Hedera Hashgraph to retest this 5.1 cents mark right now in the immediate short term? And I will tell you guys that right now and share my analysis. So a 5.10% move would be about a 17% drop for hbar. In order for this to happen, Bitcoin would need to see a cool off, and which it could see a cool off, because right now we're about to face a massive level of resistance right now. And we could potentially see Bitcoin having a cool off after having a 41% rally within less than a week, which is really impressive. And a little bit of a cool off is very much needed. And obviously, if Bitcoin dominance doesn't budge, so if it doesn't go down, it stays up or even increases if Bitcoin sees a cool off, this is going to cause a lot of altcoins to bleed even harder. So that is definitely a possibility that I want you guys to keep in mind. So that could put the price of hbar back down to this 5.4 cents at least, if that were to play out. Obviously, the bullish case scenario right now, and I've said that again, is to break above this level of resistance. This is where all your guys' eyes should be on, which is at that 7.5 cents mark, because you guys can see how important this level is and how many times we try to break out of here, but every single time we have failed to do so. So that is the target that I'm looking at right now. But at this time, there is a chance that hbar could fall down, and obviously, the reason being why I'm saying that, I'm not trying to scare anyone, it's just part of the market cycle. Right now, BTC dominance is just too high, and if Bitcoin were to see a cool off and that remains high or even goes up, then yes, altcoins are going to go down. I'm not going to come here and tell you that hbar is going to $1 tomorrow. Absolutely not. That's currently the scenario. We're not making long-term projections. These are daily price analysis videos for you guys. So that is currently the scenario that's looking like for hbar. And obviously, you guys know the hack that happened. That is creating a lot of investors to kind of look away, which again, I don't blame these investors, as I've said. But overall, things are not looking as bad. I do believe that the team is working with exchanges that have seen these hbar still. I'm not too sure. I think I read that was about Algorand. So I'm not too sure what the hbar team has been doing in terms of this hack. Maybe they are telling users to, I did read that they are telling users to move their coins off of the wallets. And other than that, if you guys want to fill me in, let me know down below. But that is causing some investors to look elsewhere. And these are some risk factors that we do need to be able to bear when we are investing in crypto, because these factors are not in anyone's control and this can happen. So this is why diversification is your number one key to follow. But overall, HBAR, even though that has come out, hasn't been looking too bearish in my personal opinion right now, but this is currently the scenario that's looking like for HBAR. If anything were to change, I will keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for your support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.